Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this question from NCERT, exercise 4.2, we have to find the roots of this question. So, very first, take the LCM. 8 is your LCM. Now, here nothing is there. 1 will be always there. So, 1 into 8, 8. 8 2s are 16x square minus 1 into 8, 8. So, 8x plus 8 and 8 get cancelled. 1. So, 0. Now, 8 you multiply here. So, obviously 8 into 0, this will give you 0 on cross multiplication. So, you end up here with only this one. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, now here your first term is this, last term is this. So, product is 16 into 1, which is 16 is your product. Middle term will be minus 8 is your middle term. So, we can see here how to go with this 16. So, easily 4 and 4. 4 4s are 16, which is give you 8. But we want minus 8. So, put negative for both of them. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Minus 4 will give you minus 8. So, now 16x square minus 8x. I split it to minus 4x. So, this is minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4x, you take the common factor between these two. This is 4x minus 1. Here I take minus 1 common. Nothing is there. You can take minus 1. This will give you, because minus and minus will give you plus, minus and plus, minus 1. Now, 4x minus 1 is the common factor we got here. So, 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 you got. So, you can say 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is 0. 4x is equal to 1 or 4x is equal to 1. So, x is 1 by 4 or x is 1 by 4. This can be also done in another method. So, let us do that also here. So, after when we reach till here, you can see the first term, if this is giving you complete square, 4x whole square, this is 1 square, you are ended up here with, but this is not the splitting the method. So, on this spot, suppose if you want to take the roots. So, obviously, this is 2ab will give me 2 into 4x into 1, 8x. It completely suits here. This is of the formula a minus b whole square. So, 4x minus 1 whole square is 0. 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. Don't take simply 4x minus 1 is 0. So, you just leave the square because usually people do this. This is 0. So, they take 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 because square root of 0. 4x is 1, x is 1 by 4. No, you cannot take this because this is a quadratic. This is the quadratic and it is necessary you should have two roots. So, this is, you have to separate and do 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, this give you x is 1 by 4 or x is 1 by 4. Here we get two roots which are equal. So, remember this. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this question, how do the factorization for this quadratic equation when roots are there? So, we pick the same way here for this. The first one and the last one, that means coefficient of x square and the constant. So, product is root 2 into 5 root 2. We know how to do this. Root 2, if nothing is there, 1 will be there. So, 5 into 1, 1. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So, 10. Product is 10. Middle number is just 7. So, I can just add 5 and 2. I will get 7. Rather 7x I can split it to 5x and 2x. So here take down this root 2x square plus, I write 2x plus first here because root 2. So 2x, however you want you can put 5x plus 5 root 2 which is equal to 0. Here I can take the x common factor, but what about 2? So what we can do, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So we know that root 2 into root 2 will give you 2. So root of the same number will give you the whole of that. So 2 you can write it as root 2 and root 2 plus 5x plus 5 root 2. This is equal to 0. Here we can take root 2x now common. So you have x plus root 2. Now here 5 common, x plus root 2, 0. So now x plus root 2, x plus root 2 is the common for you. This will give you root 2x plus 5. This is equal to 0. Now equate because the product is 0. So obviously we can write x plus root 2 will be 0 or root 2x plus 5 must be 0. So this is x is minus root 2, or here you will get root x is minus 5 and x is minus 5 by root 2. So therefore the value of x is equal to minus root 2 or x is minus 5 by root 2. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.